Let's start with the features. Vanguard is known for its mutual funds and ETFs. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Robinhood, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and ease of use, offering stocks, ETFs, and options. Freetrade also offers a simple platform with stocks, ETFs, and trusts. However, they lack options and futures trading. Moving on to pricing, Vanguard and Fidelity have no account minimums and offer many services for free, but they do charge for certain trades. Robinhood and Freetrade stand out with commission-free trading. However, Robinhood makes money from payment for order flow, which has been criticized for conflict of interest. Freetrade has a plus subscription for advanced features. In terms of user experience, Vanguard and Fidelity offer comprehensive platforms but can be overwhelming for beginners. Robinhood and Freetrade have user-friendly interfaces aimed at making investing accessible. Robinhood, with its sleek design and easy-to-use app, is especially popular among younger investors. Let's look at integrations. Vanguard and Fidelity allow integrations with various financial tools and offer robo-advisors. Robinhood has limited integrations but offers a crypto trading feature. Freetrade does not currently support integrations or offer a robo-advisor. In terms of performance, Vanguard and Fidelity have a long track record and are known for their stability. Robinhood has faced criticism for server downtime during high-volume trading periods. Freetrade, while relatively new, has had a steady performance so far. Security is crucial. Vanguard and Fidelity have robust security measures and are insured by SIPC. Robinhood has faced security issues in the past, but is also SIPC insured. Freetrade is regulated by the UK's FCA, and all investments are covered by the FSCS. Customer support is another important aspect. Vanguard and Fidelity offer phone and email support, with Fidelity also providing live chat. Robinhood has been criticized for its limited customer service. Freetrade provides customer support through email and live chat. And the winner is Fidelity. It offers a wide range of services, robust security, and excellent customer support. While Robinhood and Freetrade are great for beginners, they lack certain features and integrations. Vanguard is a solid choice, but Fidelity edges it out with its comprehensive offering and superior customer service. Thank you for watching this comparison. Remember, the best platform depends on your individual needs and investing goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more comparisons, and leave your comments below. Happy investing!